This attractive 3-bedroom, 3 full baths condominium is located in a gated community. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, large bedrooms, walk-in closets, both tile and carpeted flooring, a full complement of kitchen appliances, a washer and dryer, central air conditioning, granite countertops, a garden tub, a home security system, a luxury master suite, an elevator, his and her closets, and impact glass. This property includes basic cable services and has high-speed internet service available. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a view of the woods, a multi-floor unit, a balcony, an irrigation system, a tile roof, a stucco exterior, and an exceptional view. Community amenities include a full-service country club nearby, great area schools, a swimming pool, an active property owners association, close-by public parks, a bicycle or walking path, an attached garage, and a gated community. The approximate square footage is 1,900 square feet. This property is represented by
Kelley Smith, Kai's Real Estate.